Good morning, students. How are you all? I think you all are fine. And yesterday we were talking about poem. What was the name of our poem? The name of our poem was Strawberry. Strawberries. Correct? We studied about strawberries which are growing in the garden. They are sweet, but then wise man who is quite intelligent, he knows that the strawberries which grows in woodland are more sweeter than the strawberries which grow in the garden. Correct? In this way we studied about the strawberry poem in yesterday's period, and today we are going to start with our new lesson. The name of our lesson is the 12 months. Now 12 months means what? What you understand after seeing the name of lesson, the 12 months? 12 months means what? What clicks in your brain? 12 months means January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Right? That only comes in your mind. When I said you, we are going to study today the lesson, the name of lesson is 12 months. That time what you thought? What will be in this lesson? Naturally you will think of the months. Correct? You will think that in this lesson January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, these all months are there or what? Yes, in this lesson we are going to study about months, but those months are in little different way. Little imaginary story is made. Okay, what is made? Imaginary story is made. Now there is a mother who has two daughters. Now story is of whom? There is a mother and she has two daughters, and then how she treats her daughters, that is given in the poem. And how does these all 12 months help us or help her daughters, that is given in this lesson. Okay, I will read first paragraph and then I will explain you what is there in first paragraph. Step by step I will read second paragraph, then I will explain you second paragraph. Okay. Once upon a time, in a far away country, there lived a mother who had two daughters. Now there is something something suspense in this. She had two daughters. One was her own child. One daughter was her own child, and the other was her stepdaughter. Now what is meaning of stepdaughter? Means that daughter was not her own. She had not given birth to that second daughter. That second daughter was whose daughter? The second wife of her husband. Are you understanding? Stepmother, stepdaughter. Are you understanding or not? So here it was told that one was her own child, the other was her stepdaughter. She was very fond of her own daughter, but she hated her stepdaughter. The only reason was that Marukla, the stepdaughter, was prettier than her own daughter Helena. Now there is a mother who had two daughters. The name of one daughter is Helena. Helena is which daughter? Her own child. Own child means what? She had given birth to Helena. But Marukla was her second daughter. But Marukla was given birth by this mother? No. Marukla was not her own child. She had not given birth to Marukla. She had given birth to Helena. Are you understanding? In Marathi, what we call for stepmother? Do you know meaning of stepmother, stepdaughter? If you don't know, you can ask your parents, right? Stepmother means what? Second mother. What we call in Marathi, you can ask your parents. I don't remember what it is called. It is very easy word, but I am not remembering now. But in this lesson it is told that there is a mother, she has two daughters. One daughter's name is Helena and other daughter's name is Marukla. Marukla is her stepdaughter. Helena is her own child. Okay, she loved her own child very much. Everyone loves their own child. You know it very well. Are you understanding or not? Everyone loves. So Helena was also loved by her mother. But did mother loved Marukla? No, she hated her. Now, what is the reason behind hating her daughter? Marukla is also daughter, Helena is also daughter, but there is one reason why mother hated Marukla was more prettier than Helena. Helena was pretty, but Marukla was more prettier than Helena. Who was beautiful? Marukla was beautiful, and Helena was okay, but then she was not as beautiful as मरुकला. अंडरस्टूड. दिस वॉज मेन रिझन. मरुकला कशी होती? सुंदर होती दिसायला. पण होलेना मरुकला इतकी सुंदर होती का? नाही. होलेना मरुकला इतकी सुंदर नव्हती, म्हणून तिची मम्मी तिला हेट करत होती. कुणाची मम्मी हेट करत होती? मरुकलाची मम्मी तिला हेट करत होती. समजलं? नेक्स्ट पॅरेग्राफ इज द जेंटल हार्टेड मरुकला डिड नॉट नो हाऊ ब्युटिफुल शी वॉज, अँड सो शी could never make out why her mother was always so cross with her. Now Marukla was so beautiful. Her heart was very gentle. She was gentle hearted. Gentle hearted means what? What is meaning of the word gentle? Gentle hearted means kind. She was very kind. She was very normal human being, or she did not had ego of her smartness, or she never said, oh Helena, that I'm beautiful, I'm pretty, you are not as beautiful as me. Never she said that. She was very gentle hearted. Gentle hearted means what? How normal people live. She never had ego, or never she had attitude. Correct? Never she spoke with Helena with attitude. So it was told that Helena, Marukla was gentle hearted, and she did not know how beautiful she was. Every beautiful girl, she knows about herself. When she sees her face in mirror, she understands that she looks very beautiful. Correct or not? It can be girl or it can be boy. If it is a boy, boy will say, oh, how handsome I look. Girl will say, oh, how beautiful I look. But Marukla did not think more about herself. And so her heart was what? Her heart was gentle heart. Okay, and she did not know how beautiful she was, and so she could not make out, and she was not knowing reason behind her mother, why her mother was in cross with her. She was not knowing. Who was not knowing? Marukla was not knowing why her mother is in cross. Cross means what? Why her mother is angry. Cross means what? Why her mother was angry with her. She was not knowing reason behind it. Who was not knowing reason behind it? Marukla was not knowing reason behind it. So what happened further? That I will read and then I'll explain you. Marukla had to do all the housework, tying up the cottage, cooking, washing, spinning, weaving and sewing. She liked work, and she did it all without the word of complaint, while Helena spent the time adorning herself and lazing about. Even then, Helena and her mother scolded and rated and abused Marukla every day. They envied her so much that one day they decided to throw her out in the freezing cold to get rid of her. Now just imagine these people, what they were going to do. This mother and Helena were too much, they were too much angry with Marukla. Why they should be angry? Only reason behind that was she was beautiful and Helena was not beautiful. So what they had told Marukla to do all housework. She used to sweep house, she used to cook food, she used to wash clothes, she used to do sewing, she used to do weaving, everything. Stitching, weaving, everything she used to do of the house. Dyeing means whatever, cleaning the house, cleaning the roof, cleaning the floor, all work she was doing, but never she had a complaint. Never she said a word of complaint to her mother that why are you telling me to do lot of work, correct? And then further it is told that Helena used to adorn herself. Adorn herself means what? What she used to adorn, she was adorning herself. Adorning means what? Making something more beautiful. Adorning means what? Adorning means making something more beautiful. Now what she was making beautiful, she used to sit in front of mirror and she used to keep on seeing her face and she used to keep on doing makeup, correct or not? She was trying to make herself more beautiful, but it was not possible because natural beauty is natural beauty. You cannot change natural beauty, right? If the face is straight, if you want to make that face round, you'll able to change or what? No one will be able to change because it is naturally made by the God. So she used to waste her time. Helena used to waste her time in adorning herself. What she used to do, she used to try to make herself more beautiful. And then one day they decided, one day they both decided, mother and Helena decided that we are really fed up of this Marukla. Marukla was bad girl or what? No, she was doing all work of house. She was doing each and every work of house. Even if she was small, her mother used to abuse her. Abuse her means what? To give bad words, to shout at her, then to scold her. Then also she never did complain because she was a stepdaughter of her mother. She was a stepdaughter of her mother and she never had any complaint. And one day Helena and her mother, they decided, real mother of Helena and Helena decided to throw Marukla out of the house in freezing cold. There are many countries where there is snowfall. Yes or no? France, if you go to France, if you go to European countries, you will see there is a snowfall over there. And when there is snowfall over there, any person who will go in cold out will feel happy or what? No, he will feel too much cold, she will feel too much cold, and they will not able to wait outside of the house. They will say immediately, let me come inside the house. Then what happened with Marukla, that we will study in next paragraph. Go, Marukla, and get me some violets from the forest. I want to wear them and to smell them, said Helena. But my dear sister, it is impossible to find violets in the snow, said poor Marukla. How dare you argue when I tell you to do something? Off you go at once, and if you don't bring me violets from the forest, I will kill you, said Helena threateningly. Now what happened? They started torturing her. Violets means what? Violets means small purple flowers. Violets means what? Small purple flowers. Purple color flowers which are there in forest. Helena is telling her, go outside of the house in freezing cold and go in the forest and bring me some violets. I want to smell those violets means I want to smell those flowers, and even I want to wear them. Wear them means what? I want to put those flowers in my hair. I want to wear them and I want to smell them. Then now Marukla was little shocked. Why did my sister tell me to go in the forest now? Because it is snowfall out. I cannot go out, and even if I will go in the forest, the violets means the flowers, plants, trees, everything will be covered with snow. How I will go out and how I will find out those flowers? That was the question in whose mind? In Marukla. Then Marukla said, no sister, I cannot go. it is not possible for me to go and bring violets at now, at this time, or at present. I cannot go out because there is no fallout. Helena said, you have to go. How dare you argue with me? What she said, how dare you argue with me means, तुझी हिम्मत कस काय झाली माझ्याशी अशी बोलायची. Who said? Helena said. And then when Helena said like this, she said, you have to go and you have to bring violets for me, you have to go and bring flowers for me from forest, and if you will not bring flowers from forest, I will kill you. Now any sister is saying like this to other sister? If two girls are there in the house, even if it is a stepdaughter, even if it is a stepmother, anyone will say like this, or what, I will kill you? But Helena is what? She, what we call, she's jealous of Marukla, because Marukla is beautiful. And then what to do of this beautiful girl? How we can make her dirty, or how we can make her ugly? That is the only one thing which is going in their brains. So both mother and daughter, they decided her to send out of the house. And then what happened further, that I will explain you further. Okay, the stepmother caught hold of Marukla, turned her out of the door and slammed it after her. Means what happened? What this mother did? She caught the hand of Marukla and she pulled her near the door and she pushed her outside of the door. And as soon as Marukla was pushed outside of the door, she slammed the door. Slammed means what? To close the door. And she was told to go out. Who was told to go out? Marukla was told to go out. Have you understood story till here? Is there any doubt? If any doubt is there, you can ask me. Everyone is having my number. You can ask me. Okay, 5th standard students. Now till here I have explained you story. Once there lived a mother. She had two daughters. One daughter was of her own. The other daughter was her stepdaughter. Mother was very much jealous, or she was very angry of stepdaughter. There was only one reason behind that, was her own daughter was not as pretty as her stepdaughter. Okay, and then as stepdaughter was beautiful, they used to scold her, they used to abuse her, they used to tell her to do all work of the house. What is name of that stepdaughter? Marukla is the name of the stepdaughter. And what is the name of her real daughter? Helena is the name of her real daughter. In this way, we have started with the story. We have completed only 10% of story. More 90% of the story is left. And that step by step, we will complete some part of the lesson. Then again next part of the lesson. In this way, we will complete this lesson in coming period. Okay. Tomorrow, I will explain you remaining story. Now what I have to do, I have written 4 word meanings are given here. Some more I will give you. You have to write down name of lesson and write down these word meanings in your notebook. You can zoom my video and you can read words and write down meanings of these words. One word was there is ranting, ranting, ranting. Meaning of ranting is what? Talking loudly and angrily. Talking loudly and angrily. Another word is abused. To treat badly. Abused means what? Abused means treated cruelly. Treated cruelly. So today what you have to do, you have to write down name of lesson and you have to write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words and their meanings. Okay, that's all for today. Remaining story, if you want to know story, you can read book. Now many parents are coming and they are buying books from the stall in our school, so you can read lesson further, so that when I will explain you lesson, that time it will become very easy for you to understand. Okay, thank you.